explosion in Delhi's Rohini Court. One police personnel suffered minor injuries on Thursday morning. He has been taken to the hospital. Meanwhile, proceedings at the court have been suspended and all gates have been shut. The blast occurred inside a laptop bag, and the explosion was of low intensity. In an official statement, the Delhi police said an incident of minor low-intensity explosion in a laptop bag has occurred at Rohini Court complex at around 10:30 am. The spot has been cordoned off. Forensic and NSG teams are inspecting and examining it. Although it was initially assumed that a laptop in courtroom 102 had exploded, top sources in the Delhi police have confirmed that the explosion was a low-intensity bomb blast. An improvised explosive device, IED, and a tiffin-like object were recovered from the site.